Why are we following me? Oh, because I'm the camera car. Machine. We are driving with the boys. Decided to bring out the British supercar to meet up with another British supercar in front of me. The 765LT in Houston. We gathered a small group of us. Ed and his 4 GT up there too. This guy, police, was on his phone. Waiting to catch somebody. Yeah, let's get to our event. We're a little bit faster than we late for. The Lambo Club Houston Car Market Street gathering / drive. Should be a few cars left for us, I think. Hey, we brought the 675 or 765LT. Let's go! We're here at Market Street, the Woodlands, and I'm sporting that brand new silver and bronze hat that's capped for some inventory, so be on the lookout for either a drop for you guys to buy and or to win. And you know you want to win one of these. They're dope. I think they're dope. But, we got Lamborghini Houston here. Ooh, the Evo. Nice cool cars. We showed up late and there's still quite a few cars here at the end of the day. So we'll give you a run through right now of all these cars as I walk backwards in time. No, I ran through it already, so. We had a nice surprise. A Chiron showed up, just rolled right through, loved it. So I guess he wanted to show up, but just kind of drive through, not park. We appreciate you, whoever you are on the Chiron. It was a nice, beautiful ride. Could have used a little bit more time to look at it, but I think we've seen plenty. So thank you for rolling through. Lots of Lamborghinis, good mix of supercars too. I saw She's Without Fear, I saw Sneaky Snakes, I saw Javier, A lot of good folks in Houston. Come visit us. Come check us out. We'll show you a good time. Oh yeah, Thru and Sinclair Photos, they'll capture a good time. We'll have to bring them on a ride one of these days and show them more first-hand action versus just, you know, some of the meets they go to. All right, we out for the show. Let's go.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.